Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're seeing our channel for the first time, please don't fail to subscribe. Okay, so most of us have complained that we don't know how to navigate the Discord group, so we can participate on most of these crypto projects. So I'm doing this short video. Let me make it short just to show us how to get yourself verified in some servers. Okay, the process is the same, although there are some differences in some of them, but you need to pay attention to the writings in the boxes. Okay, let us, as this is goods of Sui, let's just say you are invited to this one. Now you click on accept invite, or you use their link to try joining their Discord channel. Click on accept invite. So when you come into the server, although I was previously on this server and I left. So okay, so when you come into the server, the next thing you need to do, you see start here, you see this one is verified. But if you toggle like this, you see verify. This is now for you to be get verified into this server. The next thing you need to do is say head over to verify, and you see, take a look at this place, guys. You see, read this thing. The next thing is that we need to read. If you don't read it, you will never understand. You will not know how to get verified. You need to read it so you will understand. Okay, read the box there. That's the verification box. Okay, so they said head over to verify and verify to gain full access to the server. So what do you need to do now? So at this point now, they did not specify what you are supposed to do. So let's say you tap on verify there. You see, I just tap on verify there. That hashtag verify that is there. I just tapped on it. Let me see if I can. I can't be able to go back again. Could have shown us. Okay, I can't be able to go back again. Could have shown us where I tapped. Okay, you see that? You see here, right here. Just tap. I tapped there. Sometimes when you join a server, something like this will pop up directly to tell you to verify. So they tell you, in order to gain full access to the server, you must complete the following verification process. So they say click on verify to get started. You just need to click on verify. Now they said interaction failed, so you need to tap on this thing. You see this move icon, tap on it, tap on this stuff, come back again and click on verify. Now they said no, they said to continue you must turn off DM. So as you can see, the DM is already turned off, so you need to click on continue here. Now click on continue. So they will give us this captcha. This is a lion. Click on make a selection, tap lion. That's a lion. So as you can see, we are now verified fully into this place. You say you have been verified, so you tap on this place again to move into the Discord server now. So when you come into the Discord server, you need to know your role. You need to know some things. You need to type. You need to do a message. You can say hi. When you click on hi, you need to tap on your profile picture. See that's my profile picture there. You need to tap on your profile picture. When you tap on your profile picture, you scroll. You see our row here. They say goats. Goats. You see our own is goats. You say goats. See our profile here, goats. So you can check other people's. That's our row. Now you can check other people's row. You can tap their profile pictures to know their own row. You say this one have acquired so many rows. Okay, this one is good listed, advisor, mode, admin. See, okay, it looks like that's the admin. So you can let's check another person. You can know their rows. This one is also goods. So you can check different people to know their different roles. Okay, so that this is how to this one have so many roles. So this is how to verify and know your roles. So let's when you verify now, all these other options will be unlocked for you, so you can check them. Come to their general announcement, you see what is in their announcement, you check most of these things. Okay, this is mint day, that means they are doing minting, so you check so many things that you can check here. So let's join the second one and see this. We have joined goods. This is Sui Discord server. Okay, let me try joining Sui Discord server and teach us how to get verified on it. So you click on accept. I want to make this video very short. Now they said, welcome to Sweet community. Please click on verify button below to start verification process. So you click on verify. Now they said, please verify that you are not a robot by clicking on the link below. They say you have 30 minutes to verify your account with this link. So you tap on this link. Tap here. Now your own might move immediately. Why my own did not go immediately is because my phone doesn't click links like that. So I need to copy this link and go back to and go to Chrome. Okay, your own will go directly, but my own did not go directly, so I need to now this is what you see when you continue from that Discord. When you click, this is what you see. So we'll take the images with violin, tap on them, click on next, tap on it again. You think just that too. Click on verify. So success. So we are now verified. Okay, you are now verified on the Sui server. So if we go back to that place now, you see that the tick here. That means you are verified into the server. So when you come now, all these other options icon will be opened up for you to start using. So different servers have different ways. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long, guys. That's why I'm trying to. So I don't want the video to be long. Now this one is Abyss World. So as you can see, this is their this icon here, Abyss World. So I click on invite. So when this is how to verify yourself on this particular server. Now you need to pay attention, guys. For you to get verified in any Discord, you must read. Okay, you see what they wrote there. So you need to read that one. They said welcome to. They said react to this message to get verified. See it here. See what they wrote here. They say react to this message to get verified. Now say welcome to Abyss World. Let's build and play together. React to. You see what they ask you to react to. See what they ask you to react to. See it there. You see that in there. So you look for it here. You look for it in this place. You look for it in this box. Look for that. Oh God. Look for it inside this place. Okay. So you can see that that's the first one there. That's the first one here. So you need to click on that place. They say react. So you can see we have reacted. Now immediately you touch that place, you see what came up. Touch on this. I have read and agreed to the rules. Click on continue. Now that's the first stage. Now second stage, they say welcome to Abyss World. Select your preferred language. So we need to click on English. Now immediately they gave us row. Let me click on English again. I don't know why they removed the row. Row added. So see, this row has to be shown. Added. So now when you click on this place, you see we have had access into the Discord. So you can say GM, see what other people are doing, sending GM there. Now check your profile picture to know your row. You see our row here. So you can check other people to know their own rows as well. So when you come, you see that these icons have been unlocked to us. So this is how to get yourself verified in different Discord groups. Okay, so if you have any question, guys, you can ask your question in the comment section or join our WhatsApp group to ask your questions. So for now, thank you guys and have a wonderful day.